It's a John Kerry evening here in central Arkansas. And what have we here? Under the little red fender cover is something that I've been working on, toiling, and it's going in the little Spitfire. Yeah, I've been good all day and only fell once. I'm going to fall right now on the camera. Okay, let's look at this thing. This little rascal, it better do some good. I think it will. Dripping the paint off the little fan. I don't know why they painted it. That orange is so becoming. But I'd have it in there and running, ha ha ha, if it hadn't been for no pilot bearing in the crank. Or, who knows, they may go in the dadburn flywheel. I don't know. We'll find out whenever we get there. And the big jumble of bolts and stuff that I had no idea where went, I've been putting them in, figuring them out, like a big puzzle, which is kind of nice. I like that stuff. And been cleaning up in here a little bit, and I got a hole right there. I can see somebody's toes if they're in there. I got to seal that rascal up, do what's right. Of course, I've been drinking this Mountain Lightning. Who knows what's really happening. Well, it won't be long. What they said. But I'll give another look here. Move all this stuff. Do I know what them things do? I don't know what them knobs and stuff does. But we'll figure it out. You and me together. So that's that. Been gathering more parts even, and using this book, The Idiot's Guide to Triumph and Spitfire. And of all the pages in this book, the only greasy ones, besides the ones I've been in, is the transmission ones. That tells me that somebody was doing the transmission and had the little greasy paws on it. You may have to take my word for it. Anyway, that's the way it is. And my next concern, besides not having everything with it, having to make up stuff, is this little thing. I don't have an exhaust manifold yet, or a starter, but I'm supposed to be getting one. But this thing here, it doesn't look like any kind of a carburetor I ever seen. That's just part of the fun. Part of the fun. Oh Lord, I kicked the bucket. Yeah, just trying. I'm using my little camera, but Marianne found my real camera. That and my laptop I can't figure out how to use. It was in the spare bedroom, and so I'll be getting it out and dusting it off and getting some real videos. And ask Darren or somebody, how do you know you're in the YouTube garage gang? I don't know. They never told me I was or wouldn't. So, I don't know. Who was that guy? He's my idol. Groucho Marx said he wouldn't be a member of a club that would have something like him as a member. But I can't be so picky. And that's about all I can say. He also said you're only as old as the woman you feel. That ought to lay one on you. All right then, I love you. Sorry, not just senoritas, gringos.